Hi and welcome to GalvaHub. This will be the largest galvanizing plant in the Middle East, and I'm happy to show you how we will start our galvanizing process. We are currently in a moving trolley that will hang the steel from the jigs. This will then be carried by the cranes and dropped in each and every single tub to complete the process. Initially, we will start with the acid degreasing. The purpose of this process is to remove oil, dirt, and paint. After we degrease the steel, we will actually put it in the pickling. The purpose of pickling is to remove the rust, and this will obviously all help make the zinc process much smoother. And after we do the pickling, we will then rinse the steel right after the pickling process. And then lastly, there's going to be the fluxing process. The fluxing process is to remove the oxide from the steel. This will help the zinc to mold better on the steel later. So once we are finished with the fluxing, the cranes will carry the steel all the way into the zinc bath. Here in GalvaHub, our entire galvanizing process is enclosed. Therefore, you could see that the turbines that are connected to the enclosed area, which will then suck out the fumes, filter them, and release into the environment. Therefore, this way we're maintaining environmental friendliness and we're ensuring the safety of our employees who are no longer going to need to inhale this fumes. So as you can see behind me, the crane will carry the materials from the pickling and acid into the zinc bath. This, of course, is also environmentally friendly as we have these filters to suck out the fumes from the zinc bath. And this will conclude our galvanizing process. So once the galvanizing process is complete, the steel will be moved here for the quenching process and the passivation process. The quenching process is to cool down the steel, and then it will be put in the passivation process to protect from white rust later in the future. And that would be the final coat of protection. And that would conclude the entire process here at GalvaHub.